Hey science lovers, it's Becky with Lab Rat Academy, and I am here with my Introduction to Biology class where we are exploring what is inside of an owl pellet. We just learned about how the digestive system of an owl works, and now we are checking out what is inside of an owl pellet. They are taking their cool forceps, they're learning about how to use dissection tools, and we're finding the bones inside of these owl pellets, and we're going to reconstruct them into a skeleton. She found one! This is so exciting. Check this out. As we were preparing for this lab, we were talking about how the owl eats. These are nocturnal creatures and they eat small rodents. They have to be small enough for them to be able to swallow because they don't have any teeth. And then they have a proventriculus, which is kind of like a first stomach where acids start breaking down that mouse. And then they have something called a gizzard. This gizzard is what mushes up that mouse so that it can digest the soft tissues, and then the bones in the fur, which is the owl pellet, is what they cannot digest. And they cough that back up in a process called peristalsis, kind of like a hairball with a cat. And then these owl pellets that these students right here are pulling apart is where they're finding the bones in the fur of the pellet. It's not poop, it is kind of like a hairball. Wow, science is so amazing. I hope you guys have a beautiful day. God bless. Bye-bye.
Lab Rat Academy, for all your homeschool science needs. Hands-on labs are fun, you'll see at Lab Rat Academy.